Our first terminology for this tutorial is hui. Hui is group, or the action to gather to become a group. So if you're going to meet up with some friends to go play pool, you're going to hui with them. And when you do hui with them, you become a hui. Hui. And so our next word is ho'olala. Ho'olala means to plan. So I'm looking at this door and I'm trying to ho'olala. What colors should I use for these birds? So I'm going to ho'olala, see which colors they might fit for them. So when you're making your meetings or scheduling with your students or your coworkers, you are going to ho'olala a meeting. You're going to ho'olala an event. You're going to plan an event. So that's where you can use ho'olala. Our next word is kope, which is coffee. Many people drink kope in the morning, and this is kope being prepared or brewed. Our next word is lolowilo, which is computer. We use our computers for meetings, for classes here at KCC. Lolowilo, computer. Our next word is ho'oponopono, which means to fix. So I'm going to ho'oponopono all of these chairs. Ho'oponopono. Manawa means time, period of time, or duration. So like the manawa that I was in class, or the time I was in class, or the manawa of a meeting, time in a meeting. Manawa. Our next word is ho'opa'ana'o. Ho'opa'ana'o means to study or to memorize. So when you're looking at flashcards and trying to remember vocabularies, or you're trying to read a book and remember the story, that is ho'opa'ana'o. And a great place to ho'opa'ana'o is at kipuka, or the library. Ho'opa'ana'o. Okay, so our next word that we're gonna go over is ho'onohonoho, which is to organize. So we're gonna go to my office and organize my things. A very important machine on campus is the Mikini Pa'i. The Mikini Pa'i is the printer, what we use to print our handouts, our lectures, and whatnot. Like, I'm going to use the Mikini Pa'i to print out all the different handouts for my workshops or my presentations. We need to change the ink to the Mikini Pa'i. Mikini Pa'i.